I've been using the Money Network app for a while now, and recently, I ran into a few issues with it not opening or loading properly. If that's happening to you too, don't worry. Here are two simple fixes that actually work. First, skip the app entirely and try using the Money Network web portal instead. A lot of people don't know this, but almost everything you do in the app can also be done on their website. Just open your browser and go to moneynetwork.com, then log into your account. From there, you can check your balance, review transactions, and manage your card, without the app needing to work at all. This is especially helpful if the app is stuck on the loading screen or crashing every time you open it. Now, the second fix is something you may not realize is interfering: your VPN. If you're using a VPN or any kind of proxy service, it might be blocking the app's connection to the server. The Money Network app uses secure channels, and if it detects an unusual network, like one from a VPN, it might stop functioning altogether. So, go into your VPN settings, disconnect or turn it off, then fully close and reopen the app. A lot of users have seen instant results just by doing this. No reinstall needed. That's it for today's fix. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.